Welcome back, guys, to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today is a special edition. It is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful women out there. I hope you guys have a loving and caring and beautiful Mother's Day. Today, we are not going to be in MK's kitchen, but we are going to be in my grandma's kitchen, and we're going to be making homemade vanilla ice cream. You know, the little churn machine that people do. We're going to be doing that today, and of course, it's perfect as the weather is getting warmer. Memorial Day is around the corner. Swimming pools and hot dogs and hamburgers and ribs. Homemade ice cream is the way to go. So I'm going to be showing you guys how me and my grandma do it in the kitchen. I'm going to take y'all into my grandma's kitchen. So we're going to have a lot of fun today. It's going to be special and memorable. So y'all tune in to today's Vanilla Ice Cream Mother's Day edition. And y'all look at the dress. It's so cute. Had to get a little flowers, you know. Y'all can get a little cute. See the earrings. Look gold, look gold, look gold. Pink, pink. So y'all, ladies, don't be afraid to be beautiful today, because you are beautiful. You have given birth and given life. And to even the mothers that have not physically given birth, but, you know, naturally take on those motherly duties. You're special, you're wonderful. We're grateful to have you guys on this planet. And so I thank you, and a special shout out to my mom. I love you so much. Happy Mother's Day. I'm so grateful that God chose you to be my mom, my grandma, my aunts, all y'all. I love you. So y'all, let's quit talking and get into my grandma's kitchen.